Hi guys, SEO viewer here with another video. Today I'm going to show you yet another method for you to come up with video ideas, particularly in the format of long form YouTube video ideas. So if we go down to the organic long form tool in YT Studio Pro, we will see this first. That gives us an idea of how to grow our channels using a combination of both viral and organic long-form content, which is pretty useful when coming up with a plan for your channel. But right underneath that, we have the information that would be necessary to start coming up with long-form ideas. So pick any subject or topic we're interested in. I'm just going to type in here space exploration. And we'll pick our primary target audience, which could be anywhere from various levels of proficiency of users to professionals, students, educators, business owners, or hobbyists. So in my case, I think I'm going to click professionals for this. A viewer search intent will be to research information, content at level experience. You could do beginner friendly, intermediate, or advanced. I'm going to click all skill levels, and you can select anywhere from 1 to 3 ideas for each of these. And the nice thing about this content generation is it doesn't just give you video ideas, it gives you possible avenues for monetization as well as actionable steps you could take for your videos that you're creating, which is extremely helpful, especially if you want a more sustained and robust form of generating income from your YouTube videos, right? So here, we can see that our 3 ideas for this was the next frontier, breakthrough technologies driving space exploration's future, the space economy unpacked, investment geopolitics in the Earth's future, and finally, beyond Earth, the science of exoplanet hunting and search for life. So if we look at this first one, just to get a feel, we can see what keywords would be best to use with our videos, brief video description, growth patterns of these videos so we can see how reliable the growth is. If you use the niche finder tool and you saw that growth potential was high, you could verify the trends with this graph here as well, and it gives you a little estimate of estimated views over the first year with viewer retention percentages. Then it gives you search volume, video length, and then content difficulty, but instead of saying easy, medium, or difficult, it gives you out of 100 a rating. And then you have a content outline that consists of 8 videos, as well as target audience that you're trying to appeal to. And then it gives you a short monetization strategy where you could potentially add to your AdSense income once you cross the threshold for YouTube's barriers. I've seen as much as 3 monetization routes included for each of these ideas, but I guess this one is a little bit harder to monetize, so that's why it only lists 1. But yeah, if you like what you've seen here and you would like to try this tool for yourself, I've included affiliate links in both the video description as well as the pinned comment. Thanks for your time, and I hope the information here is helpful to you.